China was one of the first countries to reach out to Prime Minister Modi when he took charge in New Delhi. But now comes this. First, reports of an incursion near the line of actual control, and then the release of a doctored map with China claiming parts of Arunachal Pradesh. The doublespeak has New Delhi fuming, and a stringent course of action is now being fleshed out.
As they gave our Vice President a grand welcome in Beijing to mark 60 years of the Panchsheel Treaty, a symbolism of peaceful coexistence, China has once again resorted to unprovoked needling. The Chinese troops reportedly intruding into the Indian side of the disputed water body Pangong Lake in the eastern Ladakh on the 24th of June.
The reported intrusion in the Ladakh sector will weigh heavily on the minds of the diplomat. Although no confirmation has been obtained from the Foreign Office, all issues are on the table, and the Indian side will seek clarity from the Chinese on their position on the LAC and also the northeast, where the new government plans a development push.
According to sources, Chinese People Liberation Army boats came 5.5 kilometers into the Indian portion of the Pangong Lake, an act that has drawn much ire from India.
भारत का, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का बहुत स्पष्ट मत है कि जो हमारी क्षेत्र है, हमारी सीमाएं हैं, उसमें किसी तरह का घुसपैठ नहीं होना चाहिए.
In spite of the stern warning, China not limiting itself in another act of brazen violation, China releasing a map wrongly depicting claim over our states, Arunachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir.
The fact that Arunachal Pradesh is an integral and inalienable part of India has been clearly conveyed to the Chinese authorities on several occasions.
China's dual attempt, especially at a time our Vice President and the ministers are in Beijing, drawing a sharp reaction.
उनका क्लेम को तो हम लोग तो हमेशा हम लोग उसका ये किया है, ऑब्जेक्शन किया है और कंडेम किया है. वो क्लेम तो सही नहीं है, उसमें कोई क्लेम नहीं कर सकता है अरुणाचल को इस प्रकार से.
India's relationship with China has been a bittersweet one. But will the incursion at the border, coupled with China's releasing a doctored map on the sidelines of the bilateral talks, create a hurdle in the diplomatic relations between India and China? Bureau Report, Times Now.